To be looking at in this Imagine, and how we are going to do our layer stacking. We are going to do layer stacking in this Imagine, and also we are going to create saucer and chip in this Imagine. So let's get started. So let's right click to import your raster data. You right click on the desktop and go to open raster layer. It is a folder in which we have our data. Okay, so here to import our raw satellite data, here is types of file of text. Click on it and you look for TIFF, TIFF. So here is our 7 bounds, our 7 satellite raw image. You highlight or 7 and you OK. So you have to be patient a little bit for everything to be uploaded into our ERDAS Imagine software. Okay, so just a few more seconds. Okay, so it is now uploaded all 7, and then you click on fit to film and your satellite image appear. So in this, now we are going to create our layer stack. So in creating layer stack, go to raster, click on spatial, drop that arrow, and then here you see layer stack. Click on layer stack, and here you click on this folder to import your 7 bounds. Highlight all 7 and you OK. And here you have layer. Click on this drop down arrow, click on all, click on add, and all of the 7 bounds have been imported here now. So here is the folder in which we'll be saving our output, meaning, okay, you have to go back, meaning the folder in which you have to trace that you have save your satellite image in. So we name it layer stack, then we OK. Yeah, we OK. So we have to be a little bit patient for this to load. So this will actually load, and then here is great because the operation have not been completed, and so if you cancel it, meaning you will be avoiding the whole operation that the computer is doing. So you just have to bear and be patient for the computer to load. So we are monitoring it while it's loading. So it is almost completed. So now it is computing the parameter layers for the layer stack, and after which we will actually be getting rid of this raw satellite image here. And what next we'll be doing now is to create our layer stack. So we just have to wait until this is completed. Okay, so we can dismiss and close. So in this, we can remove this entire raw satellite image here. Go to home, then you click on clear view. So we change this default color again, and then import our layer stack that we just created. you open your folder. So yeah, most people will be like confused here. This is your raw satellite image that have appeared here again. So what to do in order to get your layer stack, you go to files of tab, click on here, and then you check for imagine image, click on it, and here layer stack, click on it, then you okay. So layer stack appear here, you click to fit the theme, and this is your layer stack image. And now the programmatic at first that you imported have turned to multispectral. So now this is a multispectral bounds that you have combined the 7 satellite bounds into one. So here now we can create our source set, meaning we can take any of the area of interest here as our interest to carry on further analysis of our satellite image. So you click on raster and you click on subset and chip drag the arrow, click on create subset. So here is the create subset, but one thing I would like you to take into consideration is here we are about to cut an area here or to chip an area of interest here. So you go back to home, you click on inquiry, drop that arrow, click on inquiry bars, and now inquiry bars will appear. So anywhere you remove this inquiry bars, you see the coordinates in the small dialog box here will change. You click here, the coordinates will change. Click this way, it will change. So actually have to enlarge this. Click at the edge here to enlarge it, click in the center, and then drag it here. So this is our area of interest. So this particular coordinates and the coordinates in this big dialog box are not the same. So what you do to import these coordinates from this to this big dialog box is you click on from inquiry box, click on from inquiry box. So all of the coordinates here now have been imported into this. So what you do next is to save your output file. The name of the file that you want to save it with, you click on this file, and then you go to back, and then here is my folder that I want to save it in, and then here I save it as subset and chip. Click OK. So after which click OK, then this will actually load. So we have to be patient again for the computer to run the operation. So as soon as it is 100%, we will proceed. Okay, it is 100%. So here is dismiss. We dismiss it and then close it. So we can import our source set and chip that we just created. We right click, then we click on open raster and open this file. So here is source set and chip, click on OK, and this is our source set and chip. Okay, so here we can be able to change this color here to red if you want this particular border around the inquiry box. So we can also be able to remove the entire or the large satellite image here, leaving only the source set and chip area. So we right click here and then click on remove layer. Alright, and this is the subset and chip folder it's remaining here. Now we right click on it again, click on fit layer to window, click on it, and this is the layer. So we just click on applied and then close. This is our subset and chip that we have created. So thank you ever so much. I hope this video was very educative, and in my next video we'll actually be producing video on unsupervised and supervised classification. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to download and receive most of my video.